In this video, I'll guide you through how to see when a job was posted on Indeed. Knowing exactly how recent a job listing is can help you decide which opportunities are worth your time and which ones might already be on their way to being filled. So let's walk through the process step by step in a clear and simple way. First, start on the main search results page on Indeed, where you see the list of job openings that match your search. This might be after you've entered a job title, a keyword, or a location, and clicked search. You'll see a list of jobs, each with a title, company name, and usually some basic details like location and salary range if it's provided. From this list, choose one job that interests you and click on it to open the full job listing. When you click on a listing, it will open the detailed view for that specific job. This page usually shows the job title at the top, followed by the company name and location, and then the full job description below. Take a moment to let the page load completely so that all the details are visible. Next, you'll want to look carefully under the job title or near the company name. On most Indeed job pages, the posting date is displayed in this area. It's typically shown as a short line of text that tells you how long ago the job was posted. For example, you might see something like posted 2 days ago, posted 30 plus days ago, or just posted. Sometimes it may say active 2 days ago, which can also give you a sense of how recently the employer interacted with the listing. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on the version of the site or whether you're on a computer, tablet, or phone, but it is almost always close to the top of the job listing. If you don't see it immediately, slowly scan the area right under the job title and company name. You generally won't need to scroll far down the page to find it. Understanding this posted information is useful for your job search strategy. If a job says just posted or posted today, that usually means fewer applicants so far, and it can be a good idea to apply quickly. If it says posted 30 plus days ago, the position may already have many applicants or the employer might be close to making a decision. You can still apply, but it helps to adjust your expectations and perhaps prioritize newer listings first. If you are viewing the job on the Indeed mobile app, the process is the same. Open a job from your search results, then look right under the job title or around the company name for that posted line. The wording and location are very similar to what you see on the desktop version. So to recap in simple terms, open a job listing from your search results, look near the top of the page under the job title or company name, and find the line that tells you when it was posted, such as posted 2 days ago. Once you get used to spotting this, it becomes a quick habit that helps you focus on the most recent and promising opportunities on Indeed.